And today we're going to be checking out this shoe organizer set. That's right, this is a set of plastic shoe organizers that you can fully assemble together, and you can either put them on the wall, you can put them at the entrance of your house, you can most likely put them in your closet. I think that's where they're going to do the best, but where you put them is really up to you. So let's go ahead and we're going to pull all this stuff out and put them together so you can see exactly what they look like. And one thing I do want to notice, you can buy different sizes of these, and when I say sizes, I mean as in number of shoe compartments that you get, or make sure you select the proper size upon checkout. Alright, so when it comes to assembly, it's going to take 3 separate pieces for each individual shoe compartment, and you can see that this is the main body. You can just unfold this like so. I'm just going to crease the sides to make it a more conformed square. And on each of these boxes right here, you can see that you have a little tab. That tab's going to fold to the inside, and then you're going to snap the end pieces on top. There's one side. Fold these in. And just like that, one box is fully assembled. Now, some cool features of the boxes, they do have these clear fronts so you can see your shoes, and they actually have a nice little latching door. And on the back you can see that there's holes, and that's going to allow air circulation so your shoes can still properly air out and get good air circulation in through the box. Very cool. Let's go ahead. I'm going to put the rest of these together, and then I'm going to show you how it all goes together and what it looks like when it's done. It's also important to note that when you're putting these together, that you're going to have little tabs or little pegs on one side but not the other. So when you put these together, make sure that all 4 pegs are facing up. That way when you go to put them together, you won't have any issues locking them together. So just make sure that on either side of the box that all the pegs are facing in the same direction. Alright, so now that we have all these together, we have, I think it's 12 boxes in total, 3, 6, 9, yeah, we have 12 boxes in total. And now you just need to lock them together in the columns however high that you want them to be. And what you do is, you have the pegs on the tops, on the bottom you have slots. And you just simply line them up, and then you slide them over into the slots to lock them together. And then you can build them how you want them. Which I will just go like that. I'll do 3 rows of 4. Now they do not lock into each other on the sides. They just lock in on the top. And don't worry, if you mess up like I just did, you can unsnap them and snap them back together as many times as you need to. And just like that, we can fit 12 plus pairs of shoes in our closet. Alright, so I went and gathered up some shoes. Now my shoes are quite large. I do wear a size 12. And as you can see for me, it will hold my shoes in there, no problem. But for a size 12, it looks like it's only going to hold 1 pair of shoes. So we can put those there. We can throw these in here. Here's a pair of my wife's shoes. So as far as adult shoes go, it looks like you'd only fit 1 pair per square. Smaller kids' shoes, of course, you could fit multiple pair in there. And you could also do more than just shoes in these if you wanted to. You can use them for storage compartments of any type, or even little small drawers. Like if my little ones were still 2 or 3 years old, you could easily put clothes or shoes or toys or whatever else you wanted in these nice little boxes. So overall, they're very easy to assemble. I like the little doors. They open and close real easily. They have the air circulation in the back. They all snap together to build one full solid unit. And this is going to help get your closet more organized and get you more organized as a whole. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.